La 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 la, Dollar Tree. Yes, guys, they have the Christmas stuff all out at the Dollar Tree, and I just wanted to show you all the things that I found. First off, look at this cup. How cute is this snowman cup? Loving it. And they had the cups with the candy already in them. I think those make great gifts, especially if you don't have a lot of money and you want to get gifts for teachers. A nice mug with some candy in it. They would love it. And look at the gingerbread house ones. Those are super cute. And they have different designs just depending on who you're buying for. My favorite was the gingerbread, but the hot cocoa one was cute too. And I just think these make great gifts for teachers. I did actually end up getting two of the mugs because they did just have the holiday mugs, so I had to get a few to go in with the gift bags that I'm making for the kids' teachers. But they had a lot of mugs to choose from. The Santa one was really cute. I do like the snowflakes one, but I think I ended up picking up the gingerbread. I can't remember. Yeah, the gingerbread and the Santa, as you guys can see here. This store was cluttered, like, y'all, it was really cluttered inside of the store, but I'm going to make the best of it. You'll see as we go along that there was just things everywhere, but they have the candy canes out. I don't know about y'all, but I love Christmas candy. I like Christmas candy more than I like Halloween candy, which is weird, but I probably won't be having much of any, but I just like to look at them now. They're nice to look at, especially the candy canes. I love getting the flavored candy canes. That way the kids ain't getting them nasty peppermint ones, but I think the nasty peppermint ones probably would be best for kids, but these are my favorite. The Andes, oh my goodness, the Andes mints is life. I used to love the Andes mints, and I thought that was really cute, and I have to find out where the rest are, and y'all know I did. This is the little village where you can make a little village miniature setup. Has the church, the post office, and the bakery, and the houses, and they're only $1 each, so I think that is a really good price. Now on to like the decor items. Y'all, I'm gonna need y'all help. I see all this beautiful traditional Christmas colors because Dollar Tree has a lot of the traditional items. But y'all, I'm really thinking about going blue and silver like I showed y'all in the Big Lots video. If you didn't check it out, definitely check it out. I'll link it above in the cards. But y'all, I really think I want to go ahead and do that theme this year of the blue and the silver versus the traditional colors. Like, what do you guys think I should do? Because I have all my decorations already from last year in the traditional colors, and they're only a year old, and I feel like I will have to start all over if I do the new colors. But I'm just feeling festive in the blue mood versus the traditional colors. I don't know. Let me know, guys, in the comments below what I should do. But yeah, that's all the new like decor and stuff they have for the trees. They're really nice, but again, a lot of them are just in the traditional colors, and I'm not on that this year. I'm going a different angle in my mind, and I need y'all to talk me out of switching my theme for Christmas this year, since I already have everything pre-purchased already in the old theme. But look at those gold. Oh, the gold is just so beautiful. Like the gold, the silver, I love it. And they even have the cake ball set there now. So if you want to get the cake ball set, instead of spending like $19.99, $15.99, they have it for $1 at the Dollar Tree. The pot holders and everything are now popping up at the Dollar Tree as well. And I just love the candy area. I don't know if it's because I really don't want it that bad or what it is, but the candy area is bomb, y'all. Like, look at all that deliciousness. All I can hear in my head is the sugar, the carbs, the sugar, the carbs, the sugar, the carbs. But they're really cute to look at, especially the ornaments. They're really, really pretty. I love the candy like gingerbread house. Like, how cute is that? Like, oh, and then we have all the tree skirts. They had these little bells or bow things, the decorative balls that go on the mini trees. So I thought that was pretty cool. They had the extension cords, y'all, and I had to look back down again, like, are these really extension cords? But they are. They have extension cords for just $1. I don't know if they safe. Now I don't know that at all, but I do know they only cost $1 and the price is right. But if your house gonna burn down, it's not worth it. But I don't know. I don't know much about extension cord from the Dollar Tree. So if any of y'all know and y'all want to help a sister out, let us know in the comments below so we know what to be looking for. But these were really cute. One of them were broken though, which was a bummer. And I love the Nutcrackers, even though they're halfway messed up everywhere. The Nutcrackers were really, really cute, and they had a variety of colors. And I had a pink one before, but I think I gave that Nutcracker to my mom. But I got that one from Target, so I didn't get it from here. And then the Christmas socks, I mean, look at them, and the slippers, and they're just really, really cute. So look at these. These are where you put your little cookies and all that, and they're stackable and they're really, really cute. I love the gingerbread house ones. They are like catching my soul at this point. I think they're super, super cute. I didn't pick up any because I have some from last year. I actually have 3 from last year, so I didn't want to pick up any more. But that plate was really, really cute. I love the Santa one, and I also love this one as well. But again, with this new theme I have in my head, none of this really would go except for that blue plate, so I'm not sure. And this is just some more overview of the little, storage things for Christmas, and you can put people's Christmas cookies in. These are nice little things to put people's presents in if you want to. I think I'm gonna buy a few more because I'm going to be doing a few giveaways, as you guys know, and I just want them to be a little bit more personal, especially for the holidays. And look at these cups. I mean, how cute are these cups? The most wonderful time of the year. And Slay All Day. I thought that was cute. Slay All Day. Okay. I love that one. They have one about leaves. I don't care about that one. And I like this one too, as well, up top. But Slay All Day was the best one besides that one. I thought that was really cute too. And the rest is showing you guys the makeup. Y'all, they have some clutter going on in this store, because they were doing new inventory and stuff. So I gave them a break. But the rest of the video is just going to be showing you guys the rest of the stuff I found. But I really wanted to let y'all see what is new as far as Christmas, because this is the best time to get your Christmas items. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video.